Orange and pear, orange and pear, best friends forever and they share underwear.
Yeah. Okay, none of that is true.
Welcome back, Fruity Toots. Underwear sharing BFFs Orange and Pear here with another episode of How To.
This week, Nyan Sheep wants to know how to survive a tornado.
Great question, Nyan Sheep, and an equally great screen name if I do say so myself.
Please don't do the song. Moving on. Okay, step 1. Listen for tornado sirens.
That's right. If tornadoes are common in your area, your town probably has tornado sirens that sound like this.
Orange, please stop. That doesn't even sound like a tornado siren.
Sorry. Let me try again.
No, I meant no, as in please stop.
Tell me my tornado siren sounds are accurate.
No. Okay, fine. Very, very accurate.
Thank you.
Oh.
Step 2, when the tornado arrives, make sure you've made your way into the storm cellar.
That's right. A storm cellar can protect you from the violent weather, while you and your loved ones remain safe and sound underground.
Safe and sound underground. That rhymes.
Very good, Orange. Here's a gold star.
Thank you. And for you, a TNT star.
Get that away! What is it? One. See you. Is it one? No, let's see. No, so there's no deal. What in the Valpers is not one snow fish nine gives it. Worst sit than a nick.
We're not rushing no.
From me. Step 3. Once the tornado has passed, come out of the storm cellar and help others who might need it.
That's right! A lot of people might need help with their homework after the tornado blew their textbooks away.
That's not exactly what I meant.
People also might need help with their hair after the tornado messed up their sweet do.
Orange, could you please just stay on topic for once?
I'm sorry. I apologize.
Thank you. Now can we...
I got you a gift. Because I'm sorry, Pear.
Alright, but if it's a stick of TNT, I swear.
It's not a stick of TNT. I promise.
You promise?
Yes, I wouldn't give you a stick of TNT, Pear.
Alright.
Yeah, my underwear sharing BFF deserves a TNT star.
No!